Welcome back to Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to add beautiful cursive text in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Any size works for this tutorial. Go to Text, then add a heading. Type any word here for the first text font. Type cursive writing now. Change the font to Gistesy next. This is the Gistesy font. For this tutorial, we'll also try using a different font. On Daydream, select a Daydream font, or choose another option like the Moonlight font. For the third font, type Moonlight or Moontime in Canva. These are three popular fonts you can try. Memorize their names or search each one to see what you like. There are many other fonts available. You can also search on Google to find more options. To find good fonts in Canva, use the search bar or explore the font drop-down menu. Click Font, scroll down to select manually, or use the GIMP script option to apply fonts quickly. To check the design, duplicate the text, fold it, and then move the duplicate to adjust its position. This is Jimmy's font. Take a look at how it appears. It's a neat looking person. You can use this font for your typography or design text elements. After selecting your fonts, click Download and save the file to your desired location. Select PDF Print, choose PDF Standard, then click Download to save. Now you know how to make cursive writing in Canva alike, and subscribe for more easy design tips.